What's up guys, it's Chris with Reckless Car Audio. Today I'm going to show you a build we did on a client's 22 CVO. It's our stage 5 package. We put CHX 6.5s in the front. We put an HKI Mini DSP. We flashed the radio, added Apple CarPlay, and made the signal flat. We did an Evo X2 2400.4 in the fairing. We did an Evo X2 3000.1 in the tour pack. We sealed and ported the bags and added CMB 10s through Cicada. We also did Cicada 6.5 CHXs in the lids. I don't know if I said that before. Lithium battery from Limitless and oxygen-free wire, tuned it all up. I'll let you guys hear. We also did an XK glow light kit. We'll show you that as well. So if you guys need anything, hit me up, recklesscaraudio.com. We're located in Muncie, Indiana. You're up next.
Let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to be good. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to